I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by BTC Prague, the biggest Bitcoin event in Europe, happening June 8th through 10th. Make sure you're there to check out 60 world-class speakers, 100 plus companies in the expo site, and a ton of great people, all in beautiful Prague. You can expect talks from people like Michael Saylor, Stefan Livera, Alex Svetsky, Giacomo Zucco, Knut Svanholm, and many more. I can't wait to attend, so head over to btcprague.com and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off at checkout.
What the collapse of FTX showed is just that how much of that money was just simply people making up a bunch of buzzwords and then taking your money and putting it in FTX earn, and then just giving you back some of it. And then, the funny thing is, even after a week of it becoming clear that this thing was very shady, these people didn't pull their money out. Many of them didn't pull their money out. They kept their money in FTX, and they got wrecked. So, 100 times you got lucky with shitcoins, and then you were out on FTX earning yield or doing whatever metaverse, Web3, new high tech stuff that we boomer maxis don't understand. Turns out that all of that was just putting money in FTX earn.
Yeah.
And it only takes being wrong once to undo all of the previous ones. And so if you have the kind of mentality where you're going to gamble on things that are clearly nonsensical, like all of these shitcoins, and get into shady exchanges where the CEO goes on Bloomberg and explains how his Ponzi scheme works, and he says it's basically a Ponzi scheme. But this is a zero-sum game. You take a risk on a business that's productive because the return expected value is positive. Maybe you'll lose, but there is a possibility that you'll gain. But this is a game of it's a zero-sum game, musical chairs. And so I think my lesson to take from it is to just take shitcoin people and crypto people a lot less seriously than even I was taking them, because I was astonished at how everything, all of these toxic shitcoiners who kept talking about the limitations of Bitcoin maximalism and how all these smart contract platforms are going to all of them got wrecked on FTX, or a lot of them got wrecked on FTX, as far as we can tell, and they haven't learned the lesson, and they're still repeating the same mistakes. So